Download and install ArcGIS Collector and log into GSU ArcGIS Online. You should see this shared map here. If you don't see it, you can drag down to refresh. This is a straight layer that I created for this assignment. It covers downtown Atlanta, but depending on the scope of your project, you may not need the whole downtown area. You might only use part of the map. Locate a straight segment that you are observing. You can click it to see the attributes. I created 3 empty fields, walk 1, walk 2, walk 3. And you can put in values by editing it. You can enter values here. Updating the walkability measures for this part of Petrie Street, and once it's submitted, the dataset is updated. If you want to add more values, more measures of walkability, you can do so by editing the feature layer in ArcGIS Online.